Fumi, hello?
Us on the island. Ade, it's Ayo. He just screamed from his sleep. He just screamed and then fainted. He's cold, Ade. He's like ice. We're in the ambulance. We're rushing him to St. Nicholas Hospital.
St. Nicholas. I'm coming, Funmi. I'm coming. I will meet you there.
I feel bad for Oga. Oga seems to be losing everything at the same time. His business, his health. This doesn't seem ordinary. His haters must be at work. Someone is pulling him down from the root.
It's true. Even Grace Stitches, I heard Grace Stitches collected the presidential gala contract last week. The one that was initially given to Oga Ade. Grace Stitches is already bragging about it.
Oga has even lost weight. If only he will agree to come with me to my church and stay on the mountain for just 3 days, the prophets will reveal the causes of all this to him. They will break the chain. Customers have even reduced. All through yesterday, nobody even walked in, not even to ask how much is that agbada on the mannequin, unlike before. It's like a curse has landed on this place.
Doctor, how is he? Tell me, how is my son? Answer me.
Mr. Ade, please calm down. Take a breath. Your son is stable. His vitals are holding for now. He had a syncopal episode of fainting spell from his sleep. What is concerning us is the complete absence of any febrile state, no fever, but an unusual rapid hypothermia. Ayo is extremely cold. Given this rapid drop in temperature, we're looking into potential neurological, even metabolic causes. That's what we are checking right now.
Tests. The doctor says more tests, Ide.
Mr. Ade, please come with me to my office. Mr. Ade, we need to speak candidly. We are doing everything we can in the ward, but Ayo's condition, it is baffling. This profound hypothermia without an infection is highly unusual in children. We have stabilizing protocols, but right now, we are fighting a defensive battle against an unknown enemy. Baffling? Doctor, you said you were checking metadata? Metabolism? This is St. Nicholas. You possess the best facilities. Tell me what we can do. This goes beyond facilities, Mr. Ade. It requires a specific expertise. I've already been on the phone with a neurology specialist at Luth. Luth? No, doctor. Why? This is the island. St. Nicholas is the best. I bought the best fortress money can buy. This specialist has managed 2 rare metabolic cases with almost identical unexplained presentations. We haven't seen a case quite like Ayo's here. Every hour without a clear diagnosis makes a full recovery less certain. St. Nicholas will handle the coordination, but I must be direct with you. If Ayo does not regain consciousness by the next morning, he will be transferred. I strongly advise it. Time is the critical variable here. Transfer if he doesn't wake up. Scholar, I was wondering when your moral compass would point north again.
I'm ready, Femi. I'm ready.
I knew you would come back, Scholar. You just needed to see the bridge crumble beneath your feet. Welcome, finally, to the big leagues.
This city doesn't have a soul, AD. It has a price. And you finally realized yours is non-negotiable. Don't waste time, Scholar. Meet me at the Abyss Bar in Ikoyi in a few minutes. I have already told the doctor. He will be expecting you. We have a lot to discuss, King Ade.